Have you ever scrolled through Instagram or watched K-dramas and thought, wow, how do they have such flawless, glass-like skin? Yes, the famous Korean glass skin, that dewy, flawless glow, is not a myth. And guess what? You don't need expensive serums or 10-step routines to achieve it. Today, I'm sharing an incredible 2-ingredient DIY serum and toner that will transform your skin from dull to dazzling. It's 100% natural, super easy to make, and insanely effective. So if you're tired of dark spots, dryness, and uneven skin, stay with me, because this serum and toner is about to be your skin's new best friend. And also I'll share an exclusive bonus tip that will take your results to the next level. Ready? Let's glow. If you're excited for glowing, poreless skin, hit that like button. Before we start, let's quickly talk about why this serum is a game changer. What is glass skin? Glass skin is all about achieving a complexion that's smooth, hydrated, and naturally luminous, almost like a pane of glass. And the secret lies in deep hydration and skin repair. This serum delivers intense moisture, fades dark spots, and boosts collagen to give you a bright, youthful glow. And the best part? It's made from just 2 super powerful ingredients that you probably already have at home. Say goodbye to expensive serums, and hello to natural glass-like skin. Let's make it. Let's dive into this magical skincare recipe. Ingredients you need. Ingredient number 1, aloe vera gel, the ultimate hydration hero. Why? Aloe vera is a hydration powerhouse that deeply nourishes your skin, soothes irritation, and gives that fresh, plump look. It's also packed with vitamins, enzymes, and amino acids that heal and repair the skin, making it the perfect base for our serum. It's like a natural facelift. Ingredient number 2, rice water, the Korean beauty's secret. Why? Rice water is loaded with vitamins B and E, antioxidants, and minerals that brighten the skin, fade hyperpigmentation, and tighten pores. Korean women have used rice water for centuries to maintain a clear, youthful complexion. Now let's put these magic ingredients together. And when you mix these two, boom, you get a powerful anti-aging, skin-repairing serum that will transform your skin within days. Step-by-step preparation. Prepare rice water. Take 1/2 cup of rice and rinse it well to remove impurities. Now, soak the rice in 1 cup of water for 30 minutes. Stir occasionally. After 30 minutes, strain the rice and collect the nutrient-rich water. This liquid is packed with skin-repairing properties, making your skin brighter and youthful. Mix and create the serum. In a clean bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel with 3 tablespoons of rice water. Mix well. Aloe vera acts as a superhydrator, making your skin soft and supple. It also helps in collagen production, preventing wrinkles and fine lines. Transfer the mixture into a clean, sterilized bottle for easy application and storage. Shake well until the ingredients blend into a smooth, lightweight serum. And that's it! Your DIY Korean glass skin serum is ready to use. How to apply for best results. Step 1. Cleanse your face with a mild face wash. Step 2. Pour a few drops of the serum onto your fingertips or a cotton pad. Step 3. Gently pat the serum into your skin using upward motions. Do not rub. Step 4. Let it absorb for a few minutes before applying your moisturizer. For best results, use this serum twice a day, morning and night. Within just 1 week, you'll start noticing a clearer, brighter, and smoother complexion. Store the serum in an airtight container in the fridge. Stays fresh for up to 5 days. Make a fresh batch every week for maximum benefits. Results. What to expect. Instant glow. Your skin will feel refreshed, hydrated, and super soft. Brighter complexion. Regular use fades dark spots and evens out skin tone. Tighter pores and anti-aging effects. It boosts collagen production and helps your skin stay firm and youthful. Trust me, you're going to love how your skin looks and feels. Next, DIY Rice Water Toner, the Korean beauty secret. Why? Use rice water as a toner. Rice water is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that tighten pores and refine skin texture, brighten complexion and fade dark spots, hydrate and refresh tired, dull skin, soothe irritation and calm inflammation. How to make rice water toner. Take the leftover rice water from your serum preparation. Strain the rice water into a clean bowl, then add 2 tablespoons of pure rose water. Stir it well, and just like that, your skin-reviving toner is ready. I know it looks simple, but trust me, this is a game changer. The first time I tried it, I was blown away by the results. My skin felt smoother, brighter, and so refreshed. Give it a try, and within a week you'll see the transformation yourself. Your skin will look glowy, youthful, and flawless. Pour the toner into a clean spray bottle or an airtight container. This ensures easy application and maintains its freshness. For the best cooling and soothing effect, store it in the fridge. Keeping it chilled not only extends its shelf life, up to 5 days, but also enhances its skin tightening and refreshing benefits. Imagine spraying this cold, nutrient-packed toner on your face. It instantly calms, hydrates, and gives your skin that natural glass-like glow. How to use it. Morning and night routine. After cleansing, soak a cotton pad with rice water and gently sweep it over your face. Let it dry, then apply serum and moisturizer. Face mist. Pour it into a spray bottle and mist your face throughout the day for an instant refresh. Sheet mask. Soak cotton pads in rice water and apply them to your face for 10 to 15 minutes for a deep hydration boost. Results. Glowy, even-toned, and super soft skin. Use it consistently and your skin will thank you. Exclusive bonus tip. Secret weapon. Want to double your results? Here's a secret trick. DIY overnight mask. Mix 1 tablespoon of this serum with half tablespoon of honey. Apply a thin layer overnight and wash it off in the morning. You'll wake up with glass-like skin. And there you have it, your very own Korean glass skin serum and toner made with just 2 simple ingredients. Now it's your turn. Are you ready to get glass skin the natural way? Try the serum and toner. Let me know your results in the comments. If you love this DIY, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Join the Glow Gang by hitting subscribe. Check the description box for my favorite skincare products and more beauty hacks. Drop a comment and let me know what other skincare DIYs you want next. Your dream skin is just a few drops away. Try this glass skin serum and see the difference for yourself. Say goodbye to dull skin and hello to Korean glass skin glow. Let your skin shine. Until next time, stay glowing and take care. Bye.